Every year, millions of tons of raw produce travel across the country to feed the nation's appetite for flavor.
Before processing begins, every load is precision weighed. This single delivery contains over 35,000 kilograms of raw yellow onions.
Gravity does the heavy lifting, unleashing a torrent of raw material ready for transformation. From the hopper, a continuous river of produce flows toward the primary cleaning facility. While yellow onions are standard, this facility also processes tons of red varieties for specialized seasoning blends. Skid steer loaders work around the clock to manage the inventory and feed the processing lines. The first step in the line is the intake hopper, which regulates the flow and begins shaking off loose soil and skins.
Field debris is inevitable. A destoning mechanism uses weight differentials to separate heavy rocks from the lighter vegetables. Now separated and lifted, the onions spread out on inspection belts for the next critical stage. Automation takes over where the human eye falls short. Optical sorters scan every single onion at lightning speed. Internal cameras detect rot or imperfections invisible from the outside, instantly blasting rejects from the line. High-friction rollers and water jets scrub away the papery outer skins, leaving only the pristine bulb ready for slicing.
A turbulent water flume provides a final, gentle wash, removing any remaining microscopic debris.
Emerging pristine and sanitized, they head for the humo touch.
Watch for the double bulbs here.
Got it. This batch looks mostly clean.
Despite advanced optics, experienced eyes and hands perform the final quality check.
Centrifugal force pushes the bulbs against razor-sharp stationary blades.
Uniform distribution is key before they enter the massive dehydrating ovens. A multi-stage drying process gently removes moisture without burning the delicate sugars. Hours later, they emerge as dehydrated flakes, their flavor concentrated tenfold. For powder production, impact mills pulverize the flakes into a fine, consistent dust. Before packaging, the powder is sifted to ensuring a uniform particle size and collected in bulk. samples undergo rigorous testing for moisture content, purity, and flavor potency. On the packaging line, chaos turns to order as empty jars are aligned for filling. Auger fillers dispense the exact gram weight into every container with split-second accuracy. High-speed cappers apply the lids, sealing in the aroma. Finally, the product gets its identity with high-speed wraparound labeling. A final X-ray scan ensures absolute safety before the product leaves the factory. Boxed, palletized, and ready for distribution to kitchens worldwide. Palletizers stack the cases, and automated wrappers secure them for the long journey ahead. From here, the finished product is dispatched to food manufacturers and retailers across the globe.
It ends up here, a staple ingredient in pantries everywhere.
Adding depth and savory notice to countless dishes without the tears of chopping.
But maintaining this flow requires strict adherence to hygiene and maintenance schedules. Every shift ends with a comprehensive deep clean to ensure food safety. The entire operation is monitored 24/7 from the central control room. Nothing goes to waste. Tons of peels and roots are collected for biomass energy or cattle feed. Process water is reclaimed, filtered, and returned to the environment cleaner than when it entered.
As one shift ends, another begins. The appetite for flavor never sleeps.
But the facility is more than just food processing. It is a complex ecosystem of engineering and support systems. On-site workshops fabricate the very components that keep the conveyor lines moving. Miles of piping deliver steam, water, and compressed air to every corner of the plant.
While the floor hums with machinery, logistics teams coordinate the global supply chain. safety, hygiene, and efficiency.
Another day complete in the engine room of American agriculture.